Good morning students. I hope you all are well. We are starting with a new unit, Unit 11, Practical Geometry. Now you will do this work in your geometry copies. Before we start the unit, we should know what is a line segment. A line segment is a part of a straight line and it has two end points. Okay, it has two end points which you can see that x is one endpoint and a is another endpoint. Okay, a and x is an endpoint on line segment a on a line AB. Okay, and that line segment is of 6 centimeter. Okay, so what is a line segment? Line segment is a part of a straight line and it is in fixed length. It has two distinct endpoints. Now in this lecture we will learn how to divide a line segment into equal parts. According to the given number of parts, you have to divide a line segment into equal parts. If they are given you 3 equal parts, you have to divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. If they are given 5, so you have to divide into 5. So we will learn how to divide it in the parts, and even we will learn how to divide it in the given according to the given ratio. So let's start exercise 11a. Now students, exercise 11a is on page number 127 in your books. Here you can see that number 1 is given to you. Divide a line segment AB 9 centimeter into 5 equal parts. You will cut 9 centimeter and you will write 6 centimeter instead. Okay, so we will draw a line segment 6 centimeter and we will cut into 5 equal parts. Now let's learn how we will divide it into 5 equal parts. We will not write steps of construction in the video. I will share a picture with you and you will write steps of construction from the picture in your copies. You will draw this figure on the on the blank page of your copy. Okay, so you can see that I have a scale, I have a ruler with me. From 0 you will start. Please see that whether you have a scale which is starting from 0 till which is starting from 0 and going onwards. Okay, and you should have a pointed pencil. Make sure that your pencils are sharp enough, pointed enough to make the construction work neat and clean. Okay, so 6 centimeter line was required, so I draw 6 centimeter line. If you can see, now please highlight the points according to it. This is one end point and this is another end point. I was supposed to draw a line segment AB, so name them A and B and write down 6 centimeter like this. Okay, now what is the next step? Next step is that we will take a protector. Okay, and we will keep a protector on point A, and with any appropriate degree you will draw acute angle. You can draw acute angle of 30 degree, you can draw acute angle of 40, 50 or 60. I am choosing 60 and I suggest you that you also choose 60 degree only. Okay, always whenever you need to divide a line segment, please choose 60 degree only. Now the question is which line I will take, whether I will take the above line, the first one, or whether I will take the below line. I want to draw an acute angle. If I will take this 60 degree angle, it will make an obtuse angle. Okay, it will make an obtuse angle. इस तरह चला जाएगा. That is wrong. I have to choose the inner line. I am keeping my protector on A point like this, if you can see in the video clearly, and see where is it 60 degree. 60 degree I can see here, and you will mark a point here. Okay, so I have done my work. Now I will stretch a line. See how I join the point. This is 60 degree point and I joined it with A. Now the same 60 degree angle I will draw on B side as well, and now I will keep my protector upside down. Okay, I see how I am keeping my protector. Please look carefully. Now which line I will take? Again I will take the line of below line, the second one. Here is 60 degree and I will mark a point here. I will take the second line. Please students look carefully. I am taking the second line. I am not choosing the first line. Agar phir se I will choose first line, it will make an obtuse angle. That will be incorrect. I have to make acute angle which is less than 90 degree. So 60 degree is here and I will mark a point like this. After marking a point, I will draw a line. Make sure that you are drawing an extended line. ये नहीं कि wherever the point is there and you are just drawing till there. I have drawn on both sides extended lines. Means the point I mark here and then I draw an extended line. Now the next step, after drawing angles on both the sides A and B like this, now you will take a compass. You will open it to the any appropriate radius. Okay, I am opening like this much. Okay, there is not any single measurement. Make sure that you are not opening this much. this will be very bigger. Just open a finger space. See, my finger is in between a finger space compass, and you will keep the radius same throughout the construction. You will keep it on point A. You will draw an arc like this. Okay, make sure that your pencil is shorter than your compass. I do not have a shorter pencil, so I just take a lengthy one, the big one. I just take the big one, and it makes your construction dirty. Okay, then from A I draw an arc with the same radius. I will keep now my compass on the arc I have drawn where it is bisecting the line. Okay, here also I will draw an arc. I have to divide my line segment into 5 equal parts, so I will draw 5 equal arc. Now I will keep it on second one and again draw an arc. Likewise, I will keep over here and I will draw another arc. 4 arcs are drawn. I'm moving step forward and till here also. Now see, 5 arcs are drawn. The radius is still the same. I have not touched the radius. Okay, it is same throughout the arcs I have drawn. Now I will keep it on point B like this. I will draw an arc like this. Then again I will keep my point here. I will draw an arc like this. Then again my next point will be here. I will draw an arc. I'm not changing the radius. Make sure your radius is same throughout the arcs you are drawing. And this is the fifth one. If you see that your line is stop here, you will extend your line. Okay, you have to bisect the arcs. Okay, if you see that your line is finishing and it is not bisecting the fifth arc, you will extend the line like this. Okay, now I have given it name, the extended point. I put the arrowhead and I write 7 and I write D over here. Okay, now what is the next step? After drawing the 5 equal arcs, the next step is I will join this point A with taking a scale like this. Sorry, first we will number them. This is 1 point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. Okay, this is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 and 10. I will join point A with the 10th arc. Please highlight the points over here so that it's become easier for you to join them, where it is bisecting the line. So I will keep my scale over here with A and I will join it with the point 10. If you can clearly see how I have kept my ruler. See, both the points are joining.